Week 7 comprehension questions. You should have already went and listened or read your story, What Do Illustrators Do? And you're going to use that story to answer these questions. Number 1, what do illustrators do first? Page 245. Decide what the characters should look like. Decide which scenes they want to illustrate. Make the cover of the book. Number 2, how does the woman illustrator change Jack? Page 248. She makes Jack a girl. She makes Jack a giant. She makes Jack very mean. Number 3, how did the man illustrator use the cat? Page 250. To show how the reader should draw cats. To show how the cat liked beanstalks. To show how the beanstalk grew bigger over time. Number 4, how do you learn about the word scale? What the word scale means? Page 250. The man told the cat about it. The woman told her daughter about it. The cat asked about it, and the dog answered. Number 5, how does the woman illustrator figure out how to show her character's feelings? Page 251. She looks in a mirror to try different faces. She looks at pictures of her daughter. She uses ideas from another book. 6, why are there 4 pictures of Jacqueline's face on one page of the article? Page 254. It is difficult to draw Jack as a girl. The illustrator liked to draw Jacqueline. They show how Jacqueline would look if the illustrator used different tools. Number 7, what does the reader find out at the end of the article? Pages 258 to 259. What the covers of the books look like, which book the publisher likes best, the cat and the dog drew the last picture. 8, how did the cat and the dog help you? By illustrating the books, by showing the reader 32 pages, by asking the questions and giving the reader facts. Number 9, what do the pictures in the article help the reader understand? That Jack is a little boy, that illustrators are usually in the same family, that pictures for the same story can look very different. And 10, how do the pictures of the man and the woman help the reader understand the information in the book? They show how each illustrator looked. They show which books needed illustrators. They show what each illustrator was thinking and doing. Don't forget to click the submit button once you've answered all the questions. Make sure to go back to your story to find the answer, and you can replay this video if you need to.